Okay, I think this needs to be a... I'm going to cook up a sample using 3 completely random sounds from Omnisphere. Omnisphere is a well-known VST that a lot of producers use. There's so many sounds, so many great ones, so many bad ones. So let's see what we get and let's get to it. Now, Omnisphere is a classic VST we all know. It has so many sounds and not all of them are the best. So as you can see, I'm just going to scroll and... Okay. I think we lucked out. That's a decent sound. I'm just going to scroll, and I'm going to pick a random... Oh, I've pressed something completely random. For sound number 2, I'm going to scroll, and I'm just going to pick... Okay. Sound number 3, you know what? I'm just going to scroll on this little wheel here. I'm going to scroll, I'm looking away, and I'm going to click. Oh, what's this? Okay, that's not bad. That's kind of wavy sounding. So, right, I'm going to move these to the top. Right, let's get started. So I think I'm just going to repeat that. Okay, let's start with that. What's this sound? Oh, oh, this is going to be fun. Jesus. It's like, it's pitched really weirdly. I don't even know. It's like super detuned. Is this in the rule book? Can I edit this? Can I edit this on here? I don't know. I don't think there's any saving this. Okay, we're going to figure this out. Let's see. Firstly, let's turn down the volume. Okay, like that's sick. That's kind of like a guitar sound, but I don't know. Maybe like a bass? No. Right, we're gonna have to do some processing. Let's try Portal. Let's see. Maybe cut out all the lows. This is a tough sound. I kind of want to try and use the tail end of this. I'll just call it texture. So like the second half. Maybe every second one. I feel like it's kind of cheating though. I need to use more of the main sound. Let's get a few more notes in these chords. I'm just going to record like a top line melody for this. Bounce that out, chords high. And I'm gonna try reverse this. Okay, kinda like that. You know what? I'm gonna come back to the second sound because I think this is the one I'm gonna struggle with the most. What was number 3? Okay, this one should be easy because I feel like it's just gonna add a lot of texture and like, you know, waviness to this. So I have some compression. I might add some distortion on this and see what that sounds like. So I've got a preset here on Saturn. Ooh, okay, let's see. Okay, I think this needs to be a... Okay, I think the reverse chords need to be a bit more lo-fi-ish. Okay. Maybe a bit of delay on this one as well might work. I've got an idea, so I'm going to do this. I'll put that back as normal. But I'm going to see if I can just use this little tail end bit and do something cool with it. Firstly, maybe if I reverse it, I'll probably get some Portal. I like this preset a lot, the Flood of Clouds. I don't even know what this can sound like yet, so hopefully this works. Bit of halftime. Maybe I won't reverse. If I pitch it up an octave. Oh, I think that works. And then kind of like a call and response here where it's back down an octave. Right, we have to get this second sound working now. This is the last one we need. Where is it? Okay. Why? Why is it gotta be that? Why is it gotta be that? Maybe if I put auto tune on it and that'll kind of like correct it. Oh my god, it's so bad. I feel like this first note kind of works, maybe, and obviously with a bit of processing as well, but I'm trying to think. Maybe let me start with a flanger. Okay, I'm gonna use my 808. Okay, I think that kind of works. I think that's the thing, I'm gonna have to use it as just like a bass or like some kind of bassy texture because that high end is not it. Okay, I think the root note is the only one that's kind of fitting. I think that's gonna have to be it. Let me see if I can get one last thing out of this because I feel like it's a bit cheating to just barely use it as a texture. You know what? I think I could chop that. I think I could chop this. Let's see if I reverse this. And I'm going to pitch it up again. Still do something interesting with it, just a little bit. I'm gonna go back to Portal, just get something like granular, something extra. So the first sound we started with out of Omnisphere was this homey piano. Now, I was pretty lucky in getting that. It's a nice lo-fi-ish sounding piano or set of keys. The second sound, I didn't enjoy this one at all. Let me take off all these effects. This was, and please, if you can use this in one of your samples, then hats off to you. This was called Blaze. And it's weird because hearing that, I actually thought it would make for a cool kind of bass or like, you know, distorted guitar sound. I think just how detuned that was, it just didn't sound. That was really difficult. And the last sound, This was kind of a very wavy sound. Oh, where's it gone? Okay, I've lost the name of it. It just says default, but it was this sound, and it was really wavy. So that one wasn't too difficult. So overall, I would say one decent sound, one good sound, and one terrible sound. And this is what we got. This is the final sample. And if you guys actually want this sample and you want to flip it and make a beat out of it, hit me up, shoot me a message. I will send this to you for free and you do with it what you will. Always 50-50 splits though.